Hello and welcome guys to my channel Mockuphut. So today I am going to show you how you can create a ice cream cone mockup from scratch. So today I am going to use the Cinema 4D, Keyshot and Photoshop for the mockup creation. So without further ado, let's get started. So first we need a cone shape. You can get it from here. Click on the cone. Middle click on Cinema 4D will divide your view on 4 perspectives. First is perspective view, the top, right and front. Again click on any view, you can select it. Even you can work with F1, F2 and F3, that will also work. Those three are gizmos. It's for rotating, pan, zoom in, zoom out and panning. You can also use the keyboard key 1, 2 and 3, whichever you like. So I am using Cinema 4D. It's premium, if you all know. So if you want, let me know on comment. I can show you how you can do this same work on Blender. Okay, I am using Cinema 4D because of its particular extension. It's the Keyshot. It's a Keyshot. It's bridge. It's actually I am going to create those whole 3D image in here and export it on Keyshot, then create PSD on Photoshop. So okay, so this is our cone. We have to reduce it a little bit. It's way more longer. The bottom radius is, make it 6 I guess. Height 15. Using this you can rotate this, or you can also use this area, whichever you like. I think I need to increase it a little bit. Make it 4. Increase the segment, make it 32. Okay, we don't need caps. Bottom radius 0.02 and 0.5. I think that's much better. I think we should increase this segment a little bit. Oh, sorry. Make it 16 I guess. Next, press C key to make it an edit object. go to the polygon mode. Those are three modes: the polygon mode, the edge mode, and the points mode. Those all square are polygons, those lines are the edges, and those points are the points. So I think I need to use the double click on a ring, it will select the whole ring. Use the T key to scale it. Use shift key and it will be use the opposite two direction. This is the y axis, this is the x axis, and this is the z axis. So if I press shift on this y axis, the z axis and x axis will be used, same as if I am pressing the x axis, the z and y is used. If I am pressing the z axis, the y and x will be used. So use shift key and control key and click a little bit, so it will be automatically extrude these lines. I think that's okay. Next we need to add a subdivision surface. Next we need a plane disk, make it 4, make the rotation to 32. Put it inside this same, but it will be don't going to work. You have to put them on a null object. So select them and press Alt G. So it will be create a null object, and this subdivision surface will be applied both this disk and this cone. I'm going to rename it. Change this name to cover. This will be our body. Just move it upside, reduce its size a little bit, use the shift key and reduce its size. Make it up a little bit. For body, I think we have to add some thickness, so we can use what was it, the cloth surface. Not this. Make the cloth surface inside this body. Don't need subdivision. Make thickness 0.5 is way more. 0.005. 0.05. I think that's okay. Let's see if we add one thickness. I think that's okay. Okay, we need to cover up this back side too. turn off this thickness. Use Ctrl Shift from Y-axis. Make the size 0, 0. Apply. That's okay. So add a little bit, for adding little bit of organic element, what we can do, we can right click and use the magnet tool, reduce this size, radius. Whenever try to create a 3D model, try to go with non-destructive mode. If you apply those surfaces from here, it will be completely applied on it. You can change it back, but whenever you using it non-destructive, you can always change the parameter at the way you want. So I think I will add one more ring here. Right click and use the loop cut. 1, 2. You can use the loop selection. I think it is ML, not. Let it be. That's okay. It's already created a piece by itself. So now define those objects, give some one here, make another material, put it on the cover, use Control key, drag it, make it copy, turn them off, use C to apply it, use C to apply it. Let's see if now we can change it a little bit. Magnet, just little bit of bumps here and there. I think that's okay. One thing we can do, we can add some water droplet. So we have to let's first create a sphere, very small, 1 centimeter. Oops. We have to create a cloner. Put that sphere inside the cloner. Go to cloner, change the grid to object, drag the body to grid. Increase the count, enable scaling, that's way too small. It's 0.05. Go to cloner, make the count to 200. Scaling to 0. Distribution of surface, align the clone, object mode, random. Getting inherited is okay. No need to change. Distribute around the axis. It's not looking so good actually. I think I have to change the sphere. Sorry. Where is the sphere? Set V. increase this size for now. What we're going to do, we try to make it like a water drop. So make it editable. Right click, go to the magnet tool to reduce the size. It's way more, so let's make the sphere bigger. Just roughly. That's okay. Turn it on again. Yeah, it's more better than previous one. Think so the sun is enable coordinate, not this rotation. I think that's okay. So let's jump into the key sort for rendering. So just need to update the scene from key sort, so it will be automatically transfer the whole to our key sort element. So this is the key sort. Here we are going to render it. First, change the back plate. Make it. This one is not needed, it's the old one. Get ice cream. Okay, go to position, click on snap to ground. Actually, let's see which one we can use. I think this one is okay. Use the move tool. Change the perspective to 85. Add one camera and lock it. Use the free camera so it will be disrupt our working, and we can always go back to the camera we want to use. Make it safe, lock it and use the free camera. Sorry. So we have to change those texture. Go to the material. Let's see which material we can use. Let's go for the plastic. Use the same material for the cover, and for water change the lighting to jewelry. It's going to slow up the whole process. Use the denoiser. Let's see if I turn this up how it looks. Make it too basic. You can see this frame rate is already changing. Turn off the denoiser. Change the arrangement a little bit. think is this one is fine. Let's see if we add one more, what it will be look like. Make it duplicate and rotate it. That's fine, I guess. So I am going to render it and see you at the Photoshop. So guys, welcome to the third segment of our ice cream cone mockup video. So in this segment I am going to show you how you can create that previous 3D object into a PSD mockup. So after exporting it from Keysort, I get 3 layers. One is clown layer, which will be the selection purpose. Another is the normals layer, it will be our lighting purpose, and the RGB color or the base layer, it's the transparent image. So first just create a rectangle. Make any color you want. Change the edges to 0. Reduce the opacity so you can see it how it's look. Okay. Increase the opacity to 100%. Then right click on it and convert to a smart object. Now open it. There is a design I have already created, nothing so fancy, just some chocolate layers and wafers and some text. Just increase the size accordingly. Go to file and create save, so it will be project on this. Now reduce the opacity again. Use Ctrl T to transform. Rotate it. Try to make it center as possible. That's okay. Now right click on it and use wrap. Then from wrap menu, custom to change it, arc, and bring it down. Move it up. That's okay. Apply it. Make it the opacity to 100%. Turn on the clown layer. Use the magic wand tool. Sorry, Ctrl D. I forget to select the layer. Select the area. Click on the rectangle, or you can name it rebel, and mask it. Turn it off again, so it's applied on it. Okay. Next, for this part, use Ctrl J to copy it. Click it, right click and delete the mask. Ctrl T again. rotate it, reduce the opacity, rotate it, right click, change it to wrap and make it upward. That's fine. Okay, make another copy, Ctrl J, hide it, click on it, turn on the clown layer, magic wand tool, select the clown layer, select the yellow color, click on it and mask it out. Now turn off the clown layer, it's applied on it, just make the opacity to 100%. For this part, make it to 100%, use Ctrl T, use wrap, change it to normal position, again use Ctrl T, make it to stand out, apply it, change the fill to change the fill to 0. Yes, so it's just disappeared. I'm going to name it label change. Those two will be our smart object, name them smart object. You can hide this layer if you want, change its color to red. Next we need to project, the upper portion is left, so let's create one more rectangle shape. Make those to 0. Actually, one thing we can do, don't need this rectangle, we can use one of this, make another copy, drag it up and hide it, hide this clown layer, make this to 100%, use Ctrl T, squeeze it out, place it above it, make its size a little bit, rotate it, reduce this opacity, click the control and just try to fit them. Increase the opacity a little bit, that's sufficient. Press OK, turn on the clown layer, use the magic wand tool, click on the Carolina color, mask it out, okay. Next we need to project this design on this color. So use Ctrl J and make 2 copy, bring them above, put them in a folder, name them FX. We need to change it, hide the copy. Firstly rename it. This one will be shadow, this one will be light. Change it to multiply. Okay, turn on the light layer. We need to add one color adjustment, level. Create it a vector mask using this option, or you can press Alt and make it a vector mask. So it will be only applied on the light layer. Click it, decrease it. What's happening? I have to change the mode to screen. I think I have missed something. Let's see. Change this to, yes, screen. Just a little light, not much. Okay, so that's our effects, that is our smart object, and that's the render process. Can name it ID. Next, let's put a solid color layer. Use the brush tool. What is the brush tool? Brush tool. Increase the brush size. Use the soft brush. Hardness, make it 0. Oh, it's very bigger. That's okay. Make one layer above. Use the white color. Reduce the opacity and tap it. You can also use a gradient color for get the similar effect, but here what you can do, you can adjust these levels according your taste. Okay, now we are going to use this normal layer for rotating the light. Yes, you heard right, I'm trying to rotate the light. So how can we do it? Turn on the normal layer, change its mode to screen, then add channel mixture, create a vector mask. Next, Add hue and saturation above it, create it a vector mask. Next, add a level layer, create it a vector mask. Okay. Now from channel mixture you have to make it a monochrome. From the level, reduce it so no hard light will be there, just a little light. If you want, you can also get colorless light, so you just have to change it to colorize, and you can increase the hue and saturation. You can change it to any color you want. Okay, you can off it if you don't want to colorize it. Next, for hue and saturation, the color mixture, this is the main rotating part. Use the red to get the harder shadow or lighting. Okay, use the green to get the top portion of light, and this blue color to rotate the light from the front area or get the light from the front area. And this will be the hard light or soft light. If you get too much light, the whole image will be burned out. So just change it as per your taste. That's enough for me. So most of our mockup is ready. Now one tip, these two mockups are actually three objects are totally interconnected. What I mean, if I change anything from here, just type it a for Epson is okay. Use Ctrl S to save it. You will get the same thing in all over this place. So if you want to put different elements on different place, what you need to do, just open any of this, make it Ctrl C, then Ctrl V. Okay, it's just came down from top portion to bottom. So from the properties menu, copy its coordinates from here and paste it, this one, y-axis, copy it and paste it. Okay, now turn off the below one, and if you change it here, then you can get different result. Clear? So thank you for watching. That's our second video tutorial in voice. I hope you like it. Do comment below which kind of mockup you want next, and I try to make it. Thanks again. Don't forget to subscribe my channel.